All right. Now, you guys are ready. You guys are ready to answer any integers question, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with the worksheet you are working on. So you will have the mixed of the questions. So let's take a look at those. Remember, you will be doing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division all at once. So over here, I am doing the addition. So addition rules. Let's just bring out the numbers, 82, and then between these two signs, I'm gonna decide one of them. Ignore that. I'm gonna keep that. And with there is just one sign left. And now I can work on the question and I'm gonna answer it at once. So the big number is this. The sign in front of it is plus, so I'm gonna have a plus sign here, and I'm not gonna write down plus sign there. I'm just gonna leave it as blank because no sign means plus anyway. So what I'm gonna do with the two numbers, they have the same sign, so simply I'm gonna go up and add them together. So what is 18 plus 82? We did this before. 100. No sound 100 is the right answer for the first question. And the second one, also a subtraction. I'm sorry, it's just a subtraction question. So let's bring out the numbers, 25, 21, and between these two signs, I'm gonna ignore the plus sign and write down the negative 9, minus sign there. And over here, just the plus comes out. And which one is the biggest absolute value we are talking about? The between the two, 25 is biggest. So my answer should have a negative sign there. And because signs are different, now I'm about to decide to go up or go down. Because the signs are different, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna subtract from the big number, 25 minus 21. That will give me 4. Next question, I have a multiplication. Multiplication has different rules. So let's look at the signs. Ignore plus sign, ignore plus sign. So I'm gonna write down no sign left here. I'm gonna write down no sign, which means plus. Anyway, so now next is the number. So I'm gonna multiply or divide depending on the question. 3 times 5, 15. Done. Next question. Next question, I have subtraction once again. Let's change the color here. I have subtraction again, and let's bring out the numbers. 32. You see, I don't bring out the numbers when I do the multiplication or division question. I only bring out the numbers from the brackets when I do addition or subtraction. Okay, they are out, and over here I only have just one positive sign. Over there I have two negative signs. We now know that two negative sign means plus. So let's write down our answer. Which one is the biggest one? 42 is the biggest one, and that has the plus sign in front of it. So your answer will be a plus number, but because it's plus, let's just not write down plus sign. So we will leave it as no sign. So do they have the same sign? Yes, they do have the same sign. So you're gonna go up and add the two numbers together. That will be 74. No sign, 74. Regular 74. Over here now, I'm gonna do this and that. I will be done. Over here, I have division. When I have division, I'm gonna ignore the plus sign here. So what sign left here is just the minus sign. So the answer must be a negative number. So let's now do the addition. I'm sorry, multiplication or division. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Next, last one is an addition question. So let's bring out the numbers. 22, 14, and over here I have positive sign. Over there I'm going to ignore the positive sign. The one sign left is minus, so I'm going to have that. And now let's talk about the answer. which one is the biggest. 22 is the biggest. In front of it, I see the minus sign. So the answer should be a negative number. And I'm going to add or subtract. Let's see which one I'm going to do. Negative and positive. Different signs means go down. Subtract from the big one. 22 minus 14 is 8. Practice. Let's practice.